Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying hardware and power. Make sure the TV and cinema unit are off. Locate the HDMI ARC or eARC port on the TV and the HDMI OUT on the cinema because ARC carries audio back to the receiver. Once done, pick an HDMI high-speed cable. If the cinema lacks HDMI, choose optical Toslink or RCA adapters instead. Make sure cables are undamaged and labeled. This step prevents guessing later and saves time during configuration and testing. Now connect the devices. Plug the cinema's HDMI OUT into the TV's HDMI ARC/eARC input. This enables two-way control and best audio quality. If using optical, plug Toslink into both optical ports. Note optical supports multi-channel but not ARC features. Once connected, plug in power to both units and power them on. Make sure cables are routed to avoid strain. Pair any wireless subwoofers or RF adapters now. This avoids delays later during setup. Finally, configure settings. On the TV, enable HDMI ARC or eARC and set audio output to external receiver. On the cinema unit, select the corresponding HDMI input and choose audio format, PCM for compatibility or Dolby Digital/DTS pass-through for multi-channel. Play test content with clear dialogue. Adjust lip sync, delay, and speaker levels to match picture. If no sound appears, check TV audio output. Try a different HDMI cable and confirm TV firmware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.